Fast food pero legit na healthy at super affordable. Ito na yon. Another day, another chacha. Pwede pa rin kumain ng masarap without breaking your diet. Meron ako na-discover na meals that fit your lifestyle. Lahat ng food items nila may calorie and macronutrient count pero hindi mo kailangan ng meal plan or subscription. Anytime you need, just order from them. Hindi ka tali.
Black rice, salmon, and broccoli.
Since 2014 pa sila pero nag-relaunch lang sila noong 2022 sa Agno Food Court sa Malate. Ngayon may mga branches na sila sa Lasal, Quezon City, FEU, Sampaloc. Kaya kung nasaan ka man sa Metro Manila, pwede na lang i-deliver. And wait, Cavite at Laguna people, kung kailangan nyo ng healthy meals, aabot din sila doon. Bakit nga ba sila ang go-to ng mga health conscious na students, athletes at even mga busy professionals? Kasi pwede kang mag-mix and match ng proteins, flavors at sides. Whether you're on keto, intermittent fasting, OMAD, or just kailangan mo lang ng isang high protein meal na swak sa macros mo. Kahit high carb happy meals like pizza or pasta, may calorie info yan. So yes, pwede pa rin kumain ng masarap without breaking your diet. Yung healthy meals naman nila, nasarapan ako sa grilled chicken with brown rice. Lalo na yung sauce na may hawig na lasa sa aristocrat sauce. I also like the flavor ng salmon, very well seasoned, and the black rice I would prefer sana na di masyadong sticky. Very refreshing tong lemon Yakult drink na sweetened by honey. And the protein shake, medyo nag-water down lang pero baka ganun talaga yung version nila. Masarap naman siya, chocolatey, and I think may banana and oatmeal din siya. And the price, nagulat ako, super affordable. So ang overall rating ko dito is 4 out of 5. At kung may team kayo or athlete ka, perfect sila for group orders. Pang pre-game, post-training, or even events, may bulk discount pa sila. Flexible sizes, 10 to 300 meals, pwede yan. At direct delivery anywhere sa Metro Manila. Mura pa sila if order ka direct sa kanilang Facebook or IG account. DM mo lang sila. And sabi ko nga, kahit Cavite or Santa Rosa, Laguna, they will deliver. So I'm glad I found this restaurant para may option din pag gusto mo rin minsan na maging healthy ang iyong mga meals. So try nyo to and tell me what you think.